See, next we'll be discussing about the laws of reflections. Laws of reflection. So reflection means, see, this is considered the plane boundary surface. Now it is a normal. It is a normal. This is the ray is instant on a plane boundary surface. This is called as the incident ray. Incident ray. And it is have the normal, and the some part can be returned back into the same medium is called as the reflected ray. Reflected ray. Now this angle is called as the angle of incidence. This angle is called as the angle of reflected. Now the first point, yes, the 2 points we can discussing by there in a laws of reflection. The first point we say the angle of incidence, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflected. Angle of reflected. This is the first. See, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflected. Means here how much of the angle is considering by there. Here also the same angle will be considered. And now the second point. See, here we can observe in this one the incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in same medium. Are in the same medium. Write the incident ray, comma, normal and reflected ray are in same plane. Are in same plane. See, this is the two laws of reflection. The incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in the same plane. Okay. Now next we are discussing about the types of reflections. Types of reflection. Now the basically we have there the two types of reflections is there. See, that is the first one is the regular reflection. The first one is here the regular reflection, and the second one is the diffused reflection. What is the second one is the diffused reflection. Diffused reflection. See, basically how many types are there here? The two types of the reflections are there. One is the regular reflection. The another one is the diffused reflection. See, we are discussing about the two reflections, regular reflection and diffused reflection. The first we are discussing about the regular reflection. So reflection, the parallel beam of light, parallel beam of light. So beam is nothing, the bundle of light is called as the beam of light is incident on the plane boundary surface. On the plane boundary surface. So what is that? A parallel beam of light is incident on the plane boundary surface. The reflected ray will be parallel. Is called regular reflection. What is called the will be parallel is called the regular reflection. See, this is the diagram for this one. So this is considered the plane boundary of the surface. Plane boundary. Now, see, this is the light, the parallel beam of light. This is the first one is incident on a plane boundary surface. This is the second one can be incident, and this is a third one can be incident. But after where incident, this reflected. See, this is the reflected ray will be also parallel. This is the direction. Now this will be the reflected. Now observing, this is the reflected ray. So this is the incident ray. The both of them having a parallel. Now here the angle. It's a normal angle of incidence I and R. I and this is the R. This is the normal angle of incidence and the reflected ray is the R. Now this is called as a regular reflection. Now the next we are discussing about the diffused reflection. Parallel beam of light. The parallel beam of light. Parallel beam of light is incident on the of the see incident on the plane. See now here say the see incident on uneven surface. So what is the parallel beam of light is incident on uneven surface. The reflected light, the reflected ray as random direction. See that reflections is called as the diffused reflections. What is here this is a plane. Now we take here the uneven surface. The uneven surface is nothing but this will be. This is considered the uneven surface. Now the instant light or instant ray is instant on this uneven surface. Now we can instant here. And another one can be instant off here. And the third one you can instant off here. This is the direction. But this will be reflected ray. The reflected ray will be, see, one is moving, this is the direction. Another one is moving, this is the direction. This can be moving, this is the direction. That will say the random direction. This is the reflected ray. Now this is called as the incident ray. See, observing here the instant ray will be the parallel. But the reflected ray will be the different directions. That is the different direction. That different directions is called as the, what is called as a random direction. Now take this is the normal. The normal here the angle of incidence I. This is reflected of angle R. R. This is also angle of incidence I. Angle of reflected is the R. See this surface. What is called as the uneven surface. See this is the plane surface. See these are the two types of the reflection. One is the regular reflection, another one is the diffused reflections.